have done it again, another dual setup, no more Bluetooth, on a Ram 2500 HD. Come check it out. We have dual 5-inch snorkels through to a 4-inch crossover pipe into a massive 5-inch airbox for maximum airflow. So we've relocated the fuse box with a custom laser cut bracket that mounts to the factory holes, so no drilling required. Then with the 4-inch crossover pipe that also has a laser cut bracket for perfect fitment. And over this side, we have this huge 5-inch airbox with a 5-inch pod filter inside and a lobster back 5-inch custom intake. Our development team is currently working on a panel filter airbox with a factory intake and factory filter. Get yours on the Meredith Metalworks website today.